Hey y'all, I'm Elizabeth Sims, one of WBIR's digital storytellers, and I'm so excited because I am actually on my way to Dollywood to try cinnamon bread for the first time ever. Without further ado, let's get to Pigeon-Forge.
A lot of people walk in and say they follow the smell. Our famous cinnamon bread starts out in the back. We put it onto baking trays and then we proof it in our proofer. Once it's proofed to the point we can cut and dip it, we'll bring it over to our bakery area here. We'll cut it, then we'll place it off. We'll dip it, coat it in cinnamon and sugar, then we'll put it in our pans. It'll go in the oven for 32 minutes. And when it comes out, you know the rest. We can bake 200 bread an hour, and when we're busy, there's a lot of time where the demand is actually for more than that. We offer buttercream icing or actual homemade apple butter. One's going to give it the cinnamon roll feel. The other one's going to give it more of a savory apple fritter taste. I definitely recommend trying one of each if you've never tried it before.
All right. Oh wow, that is so good. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna finish all of that. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this whole loaf. Sorry, everybody back to the station. I'm probably not gonna have any leftovers.
If you really want it and you're concerned about, waiting or whatever, definitely get here early or stop by at the end of the day. Because once it starts, it doesn't stop. It's an all-day thing when we're cranking.